Hey, how's it going everybody? It's KB here, and today I'm going to show you how to get that DSLR blur effect in your photos using Android phone. If you have a latest Android phone like Google Pixel, then forget about this tutorial, you don't have to watch it. If you have an old phone and you want to get that blur effect in your photos, then yeah, let's do this. First of all, you have to take a picture with your phone. Okay, just use your normal camera app. Okay, then you will need one application called Snapseed. It's a photo editor by Google, and I will put link in the description. You can go there and get this application. Now let me show you how to use this application to get that DSLR blur effect in your photos. So first of all, you have to take a picture, and after that open this application, and you can see here it says tab anywhere to open the photo. I'm just gonna click on plus icon and I'm gonna choose this photo because I like the dog. Okay. And as you can see, the background is clear, and we want to make the background blurry. Okay, so for that we have to go into the tools, and after that find lens blur effect. Click there. Once we get the lens blur effect, you can see it already does the pretty good job. You can strength like I'm gonna make the blur effect like 100%, and as you can see, we can select the like circle. We can do like that, and it's not perfect. Like inside the circle, some of the parts are like still not blurred. We want to make a perfect blur. For that, make this circle, use your double finger and make this circle like this. Okay, make it small and move this circle to edge, like anywhere. Okay, to the edge, so you can see your photo is all blurred. Okay, after that head on tick, like right icon. Okay, and as you can see, we have the perfect blur, but we can't see the dog. Where is the dog? For that, you can see up top this icon right here, edit stack. You just have to click that, and after that click on view edits, click that, and after that we will have an option lens blur, and there is an arrow something like this. Okay, once you click there and click on this brush filter, click there, and once we are here, you can see our photo is clear now, like the dog is there, and we have to adjust the lens blur. As you can see, we have a up arrow and down arrow. We can adjust the strength of the lens. Okay, I'm gonna use the 100%. Now I'm gonna use the brush to draw the outlines, like I'm gonna make the thing blur. Okay, background, as you can see. For now, just make rough drawing. Okay, just use it like that. Okay, as you can see, we are getting that effect. Okay, blur. Okay, just make it rough. We will fix it, the other problems. Okay, just make it a little bit blurry. As you can see, we have the perfect DSLR effect, but still the edges are not sharp. Okay, if you want to make the edges sharp, now tab on the down arrow, lens blur effect, and make it 0, and after that use your double finger and like zoom in your photo. Okay, like that, and as you can see, the circle of the brush will get smaller if you zoom in, and after that adjust like this. As you can see, now I can draw into the edges, so I can make my photos edges clear, something like this. As you can see, I'm a great, and you will see the magic. Let me do it. Okay, just move your if you want to get the perfect DSLR effect, the blur effect, then this is the only one way. Okay, maybe there are more photo editors, but I found that the Snapseed by the Google is the best photo editor for that. Okay, and just move your photo like that and keep doing it. Okay, let me finish this without talking. Now look at this picture, boys. So this is the perfect blur effect. That's how you do it. And I'm gonna save this picture right now. As you can see, hit on done, and it will take some time, and as you can see, it's done. Okay, as you can see, we have the perfect background blur effect. So you just have to take your time. You know, if you don't have the greatest and latest phone, then that's how you do it. And now you just apply some filters and you'll be fine. And yep, that's it. And if you want more tutorials for the Snapseed, you can ask in the comment section below. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And if you don't have a Snapseed, I will put link in the description. You can go there and get this. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.